poor ghost that is suffer because the family is so bad with him. Here we have the family, the American family, and in other sides we have the ghost and the public. What is the situation about? Can someone of the family explain to the public what is going on with the ghost?
Daddy, come on.
Come on, Daddy.
We doesn't like him.
What?
Because
He's a
he
ghost.
doesn't scare us.
What is your opinion about it?
I want to scare you, but you are a horrible person, a bad person.
We? What do you say?
But Virginia is the only person in the family, is the only good person in the family because she can help me.
I know that you too do horrible things to the ghost. Why? Because I hate him.
Why?
I hate. Because oh, I'm like this guy. But you don't show that things. You are horrible with him.
Yes,
And
you mock me. Every day you mock me.
because you try to scare us. What is
It's
your opinion about
you both are bad persons.
No, Daddy, no.
Yes.
Virginia, say something. I don't know. They are brother.
I saw the ghost. He touched me. O sea, he exists. O sea,
Why you both have friends? Why you both have friends?
Why you help him?
You are part of
the family and you are with
him.
because I don't know, like one day you are only with her.
We swim in the other room and with her, but we're a family.
Yes,
We
I
are
think
family.
he's the only
You are.
person that is good in the family.
We
You
are
understand?
family. Yeah. Do you understand?
We are family. You make it cry your mother. Mom, don't cry.
Shut up.
Shut up. We hate the book. For you. For you.
Shut up. Shut
You
up.
are
This is for
horrible
you.
person.
This is for you. Yes.
Everyone here is crazy.
I think
Everyone.
the same.
They
No.
What are you talking about? We're not crazy. We're not crazy. You're crazy. No. You're crazy because you're saying that you're crazy and we're not crazy.
It's just because you are no part of my family.
That's not my problem. That's not. We're not crazy.
Go away.
why you don't believe in ghosts?
You go away.
Why you don't believe in ghosts?
And this is your family. You are with the ghost.
You are with we're family and you are.
I am.
You are a bad man.
No, you're on his side because you are with. And you talk with him. Yes, but.
You are the enemy of why you are with the ghost?
You understand me, but Virginia can. She won't help me, but you don't understand.
She and you,
Her and you.
you don't
are
want
the enemy
to
of the
him
family.
and- What is that? Explain that.
See that. They are.
For the camp.
They are horrible persons.
Some things that was really bad. You killed many persons.
But
You
my
should
wife
shut up.
is
Shut up.
awful cooker. My wife, I
I
tell
don't
my
know your wife.
your wife. But you
Sorry,
did,
but
well,
about
you
your
didn't say
wife.
that we're bad people because you kill your wife. And that, but you have you have food and but I
You killed your
Yeah,
You killed
close.
your wife. This is very bad.
Where the people would you killed your wife and that's awful.
And Lucrezia, you don't talk very much. What's your opinion? Talk.
This is a beautiful family. Except to me.
What?
No, you're the black sheep.
No. You have
She's a sweet
You're the
person.
enemy of the family.
We are
She's a sweet person.
Our beautiful family.
Do you fall back?
Virginia.
Virginia? Yes. Pay attention, Virginia. You're falling in love with the ghost? No.
Virginia!
No.
With the ghost!
Would you kill him?